All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're going to do an update on the Matco ball joint press with snap-in adapters. Now, full disclosure, Matco/OTC sent this to me a while ago. I did a video comparing the OTC versus the snap-on, kind of the industry standard. We're going to do an update on it. Made by OTC. It is beefy. It's actually beefier than my original OTC, which is a US-made OTC ball joint press. And the advantage to it is, well, the adapters that snap in. You don't have to hold them and try to hold them. And the reason this one's a long time coming is because I don't do a lot of ball joints here. So here, pressing ball joints in and out is not as common as some other places. I still can't give you any results on bigger trucks because we don't see them. We can't fit them in the building. But let's talk about my experience with it so far. Now, I've used it on pretty much everyone except I think 2 ball joints, because the adapters that are included with the main case that's supposed to cover like 95% doesn't. That is a problem. You are going to need to get the big kit for full coverage, maybe. You know, Snap-on has like 5 or 6, I think, add-on kits. I don't remember exactly what, and I'm sure somebody in the comments will tell me correctly, but I didn't look it up before I started this video, so I don't remember exactly how many. Coverage on it is good from what I've seen for the vehicles I've worked on where I've pressed in ball joints. Behind the camera is an 01 Ford Taurus. I used it today to press in ball joint. I got a different vehicle, thought it was a good time for an update. When I used it, everything worked exactly how it's designed. No problems, no issues whatsoever. It just worked. The drawback on this tool is, well, coverage. That's where you might run into some problems. I have an updated kit with more adapters. That's probably going to be a better option if you're just buying this kit outright. I don't think OTC sells it themselves yet. I think it's still under Matco exclusive. So you will have to buy it from Matco, I believe. If it's on Amazon, I will have an affiliate link, but it is what it is. It is, you know, branded OTC, so that's who makes it. I got comments in that video, by the way, that it was OTC, and I said in the video it was OTC. But overall, it's held up well. As I said in the video, it uses ball detents instead of a lock ring like the Snap-on, so it's very positive without getting stuck. So it works well. It works as designed. I have lost 1 ball bearing, and if I blew your ears out, I'm sorry about that because I blew my ear out. But they pop in, pop out real easy. Changing them out is not an issue. Whereas if you've used a Snap-on with some age on it, some of those adapters either stick like a mother or will just fall out, negating the point of it, but you can get new clips. But it works. I mean, as long as you have the right adapters, it works. The press is beefy as all get out. I'd put it right up against the Snap-on. No hesitation. You know, it's just whether or not they have the coverage, and I can't do enough ball joints to, well, give you a better opinion of it than that. And I haven't seen anybody do an update on this, so figured I would. I hope you found it helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatratemaster.